Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have your PNR and passport ready. Start now by logging into Pegasus Manage Booking or the mobile app. Once logged in, locate your reservation and review the fare rules so you understand allowed changes and fees. Make sure your payment card is available to pay any fare difference or fee. Why? Because change requests often require instant payment. If you hit a hold or queue, keep the booking open and refresh carefully until the Modify Flight option appears. Then proceed to select new dates. You now search for alternative flights and compare total prices, including any fare difference and service fees. This saves surprises at checkout. Once you find a suitable option, choose seats and extras you want to keep or adjust, because not everything transfers automatically. After selection, carefully review the new itinerary, check transfer times and baggage allowances, and note any changes to refund eligibility. If the system shows a difference due, prepare to authorize payment. Once paid, you complete the payment to finalize the change. Once processed, Pegasus issues a new e-ticket and sends confirmation via email or SMS, so make sure you download or save the updated boarding pass. After that, verify online check-in opens for the new flight and reprint any travel documents. If you encounter errors, don't panic. Document the problem with screenshots, note timestamps, and contact Pegasus customer service or social channels with your PNR. Persistence pays off. If necessary, escalate to a live agent or airport ticket desk on departure day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.